Hi friends, welcome my YouTube channels and welcome to the tutorials. If you are using the old Photoshop version and clicking the look like icons doesn't work, press hold the Alt key when an options Mac on your keyboards and double click the icons logo. The Photoshop names the layer from the backgrounds to layer 0 and then lock icons appears. Add a solid color files layers to create a photo border. Will use solid colors layers. Click the new files and adjustment layers icons at the bottoms and close choose solid color from list.